Let me be completely candid with you. For the longest time, I was against creating or running a trading boot camp. Why? Because my original mission was simple: to build a serious, experienced traders group that could sharpen each other, not to throw another course out there into the overcrowded space of trading education. But over the years, I've watched something that I can't ignore, really. I just can't ignore it. Too many new traders are being pulled into these influence style groups, dazzled by fancy learning and terminology and the promise of hidden knowledge. And I'll say this clearly: I don't have anything personal against these groups, but here's the truth. Most of what they teach are old ideas repackaged with new names. I've seen out there, take this fair value gap, or FVG. It sounds mysterious, right? But really, it just means an imbalance in price movement. Thin liquidity markets. As a bank trader, we never once said, hey, there's a fair value gap on the 5-minute chart, let's fade it. Never even heard of it. You know, that's complete 100% sheer marketing language. And this is exactly the problem: wrapping old concepts into mystical labels creates a false sense of secret knowledge out there. It makes new traders believe that there's some hidden code that only a select few can access. And that's how the narrative gets sold. That's how they lure you in. And I guess sell you things. I don't know. I've never really been in the courses themselves, so I don't know if they're selling anything. But I'm telling you that I've been around for 30 plus years. I've never heard of fair value gap or anything, but there's some terms, today that I'm not accustomed to. I work with a crypto trading group, a bunch of young guys. They're very, very good traders. And they call things liquidity sweeps. I never heard of a liquidity sweep either. For me, it was just stop loss running, so, but it's very similar. But I could see how that name makes sense as far as a stop loss running is concerned, because I used to do it constantly as a banker myself. I knew what my customer stops were. I was trying to push the market down to that level so I can take them out of currency and put it in my pocket. So I would sell it at a higher price, drive the price down, or hopefully work with, I really shouldn't say that, but work with other banks to actually drive the price down to grab their stop and put it in my pocket. Totally normal, totally acceptable in the trading arena. You can't hate the players, you can't hate the game. But when I started seeing these secret, this idea of a false sense of a secret knowledge, I said, you know what, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do something where I could actually teach people some true interbank trading, okay? The markets don't, there's another thing that happens out there, okay? And I see it a lot. They got beautiful faces out there. They got these young women, talking about how they're these experienced Forex traders. I don't know if they are or they're not, but I'm going to tell you that I know for a fact that they sell, because 90% of the people that participate in this are men. And it's a great marketing strategy. I got to give them that. It's a great marketing strategy for the simple reason that, men trust women. And, if you got a beautiful woman telling you that she's going to teach you how to trade, well, you're all in for it, especially if you're a young guy. You're like, yeah, this girl's going to teach me how to trade. Maybe I'll even get a date with her or something. But it's not, like I said, I'm not here to disparage it. I'm not with any malaise or anything, or any malice, I should say. I have nothing against them. But on a professional desk, we trading was about execution, risk control, and discipline. It was about using tools that actually matter. We use value, weighted average price, VAP, we called it. Every execution desk in the world uses VAP, not because it's a secret weapon, but because it's a real benchmark, of a value and execution. It's a way that you could judge how you traded and performed that day. You know, it's a way institutions measure performance, you know, spot value zones, and, you know, manage big flows. That's why I finally decided to do this boot camp, because traders don't need another guru with rebranded buzzwords. You don't need that. They need clarity. They need a way to learn what actually drives price action, how professionals think about risk, and how to approach the marketplace with a process, not gimmicks. Yeah, that's the most important thing. Approach the marketplace with a process, not gimmicks. So, you know, the boot camp that I'm going to be doing isn't about handing you magic setups or signals or promise of push button profits. It's about, you know, getting you in the right mindset and showing you, like, you know, like market structure itself and how the market actually works and how you can start to think like a bank trader, because those are the people that you're up against. Okay, so, and I'm going to be giving you in this boot camp, I'm going to be giving you, you know, proprietary techniques that nobody has, because they were developed in my proprietary trading desk. You know, I'm gonna have a series of, like, market structure. We're going to talk about market structure. We're going to talk about market structure highs. We're going to talk about slopes of a marketplace. You know, you're an upward moving market, but it can have a downward slope. That's just basic natural reaction down before the market actually picks up steam and starts going the other way. We'll talk about breakouts, how you could look at breakouts, whether or not they're going to be false or not. We'll go over, you know, cyclical analysis, but really for the shorter term, we'll talk about, you know, pivot highs, pivot lows, and how we can, you know, box the marketplace in to see when a trend change actually happens. No, like, repackaged stuff at all. You know, I'm going to be giving away a formula that we used for the market open. So we'll be talking about you know, it's repackaged for me as like kill zone theory, but it's really, you know, it's basically just looking at the Asia Open, the London Open, the New York Open, and discuss the Open itself and how you could actually trade the Open with, you know, you don't have to trade every day, look at every pip. We'll get into all that stuff. So really what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to bring some clarity to this. And like I said, I had no interest in doing this at all. You know, I was just saying, you know, I'll do my technical analysis videos and I'll get real traders that are interested and they'll come and join me trading, you know. But that's not what's working out. It's not working out at all that way. So, and plus, when I saw, you know, this stuff that's out there, and like I said, I got no malice against these guys or gals, you know, but really, I really think that you should kind of wake up. Yeah, I think that you're being sold like a bad bill of goods. So I'm going to be starting this next week. I believe I'm going to have it set up for the 26th of August. The only way that you can find out when it's starting and get involved is I'm going to have a link in the description of my YouTube channel, and you click that link, you'll be taken over to the page, and I'll have the videos up for you. I might even try to do like some lives or something where, you know, or maybe some I don't know, what do you call that, like Google Meets, you know, where I can, you know, if you watch the video and you have questions, then we could set up a day. Well, I'll actually have a Google Meet. You guys come in and gals come in, and we can actually discuss it. So I look forward to really trying to introduce you to true bank trading systems, techniques, mindset, how you should approach the market. You know, trading is 80% up here. It's 20% of actually execution. The boot camp isn't going to be about magic signals or a promise of push button profits. It's about giving you the mindset, the tools, the structure that I learned and lived as a professional trader on a bank trading desk. Not only was I a trader, I was the chief dealer, so I was in charge of 30 guys. So if you're tired of the noise, you're ready to cut through all the bullshit that's out there and learn trading the way it's actually done in the real world, then this boot camp is for you. And it's time to stop chasing narratives and start thinking and trading like a professional if you want to succeed. So I look forward to seeing you in the boot camp. Perhaps we'll even do like a Google Meet, put the videos out there for you. But the only way you're going to be able to get involved in this boot camp is to be, a YouTube subscriber. You'll see a link in the description. You could click on that. I'm looking to start on August 26th. I'll have the first video out there, and I look forward to seeing you in it. If you're ready to advance your trading the proper way, please join me, and I'll see you in the first boot camp. Cheers.